eletricidade e água. Acho que ela vem sobre essa questão.
Alright, can you hear me?
Hello, how are you? Já interpretei o documento.
Tá bom.
Essa é uma parte, vou pedir agora o resto. Tá? Nada. Hello, how are you?
It's good. Okay, so first we're going to
Just
provide
close the
you.
door. We'll come back in a second. I'm here again. I'm sorry.
It's okay. So actually today we have three issues to clarify today. The first one is your comments on the adjustment comments. Yes. And another issue is what we have faced for this project is right now is hand rated. So I'd like to clarify two issues so we can continue this project and move it forward. So let's get started the first one. Maybe could you please just share your screen? Maybe it's better, so you can tell me.
Sorry?
Maybe I suppose will be better if you could share your screen because you can tell me what's the difference and what we need to do for the adjustment.
I just asked you to put a corridor on the back of the party rooms.
Just here, so which will the entrance of the party room is in here.
Yeah.
So you mean we need to exchange the switches the door to this side?
No. The entrance still at the same place. The only thing that I am asking you for is to put a space just for people to clean, to put like the cake, the balloons, everything that they need in the party rooms. I don't want them to walk on the playground.
So we will have another door here so that maybe your staff can enter to do the decorations, right?
Yeah.
So two doors. This door is for customers. It's the main entrance. And another door is for the decoration staffs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
That's it.
Another issue is for the drawings that you have mentioned for the accurate game machines. But I'm not understanding for this.
DWG, right? You have our DWG.
Yeah. So you want me to use the previous one?
No, it's just because on the DWG you can have all the measurements.
But you just sent me two pictures. There's no updated DWG file.
No, I don't have any update on the DWG file. I am asking you if you have the last DWG file. Because on the last DWG file, you will have this space that I'm telling you to use now.
Okay, let me open it. Let me see, maybe this one. This one, right?
Yeah.
This one.
This is not the DWG, but yeah, you can just use that. I'm
Let me
just
use an updated one. Use
I'm just asking
latest
about
one.
the DWG. There you can see the measurements. You can see how long is the wall and how many space you have there.
Yeah. This time I just want it to confirm the adjustment comments and what we need to do. So for the measurements, I can confirm with our designer. It's okay. Let me check. The version 12. This is our previous DWG, and I need to have the drawing here. Right now, we have a space, maybe here, from here to here. And here will be the entrance and the cabinet, right?
Mm-hmm.
And let me just check your comments.
You don't have the DWG file?
In this computer, I don't have.
Because
In
I'm
this-
asking you to use a space that isn't at your layout.
Actually, layout. This is
Can
actually.
you show me the layout that you are opening?
Yeah.
Just open it again, please. And give me a second, please. I will send you now a picture. This is the zone that I am telling you to use. You can use this zone. It's outside of the space.
So, which will mean we can use.
This the red, the red line that you designed, the one on the front. You can
Okay.
have the door.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good. Okay, so this wall will be delayed, will be canceled, right?
No, I think that this is a solid wall.
So we still
I
keep this
think
wall, but how about this part, this zone? How about this red square zone?
Sorry?
How about this red line circled room zones? We can use it.
Yes, that's what I am telling you.
So we will build another wall here.
No, that wall exists now. So I'm just telling you, just to build like the entrance.
Yes, I know the entrance.
Wait, let me.
I'm so confused. Maybe could you please just share your screen so that you can tell me your ideas, okay?
I'll send you another picture. The yellow part that I signed it. It's the new door of the space.
It's a new door. So
yeah, you can design the entrance over there. So you can use that space to put the reception. So instead of making changes on the playground, you can let it as it is, and you will put the reception on that part that I'm showing you now, and you can use the space that you have the reception. You can use it for the arcade games.
okay, I got. Let me just continue to open this picture. This is the right. Let me choose another color screen. Here would be a door, right?
Yeah.
And how about this line? It's a wall?
Yeah.
Or it's a glass wall? Solid wall or glass wall?
Solid wall.
It's solid wall, okay.
Yeah.
And how about this? We remove this wall.
I think that this is a solid wall too.
And here we designed it as a door before, so we cancel the door here, right?
Yeah. And you just
Okay.
pass it for the other part. The door that you had
Okay.
designed it, you may change the location.
But it's weird. It's weird. You know, if we have the reception table here, maybe here, but we waste this space, right? You know.
No, we can use it for another things. Maybe we can use it just for having, I don't know, maybe shares and
Shares. I'm not understand because this, you know, is a very deep space. It's a very deep space, and it has two solid wall.
in fact, we don't
That's
have all this space that you put it there. We only have the one on the front.
So this green line is not wall.
Let me just show.
This one.
Yeah, you don't have all the space there. We changed something over there. Let me just see. Yeah, okay. You can put chairs on that place, like a sitting zone. Maybe we can use it for helping the snack bar that we have inside. And you can put over there like a sitting area. And on the place that you have the reception now, on that layout, you may put it maybe the arcade games. So adults can just have a nice time over there. They can go to the reception, they can pay for the arcade games, they can use the machines, and they can go to the snack bar, buy something to eat, and go to the sitting area and just have a rest.
Actually, here would be like an arcade game, right?
Yeah.
And this is the entrance. Let me name it as entrance.
Yeah, and maybe if we,
here maybe we can move it a little bit forward here.
Yeah.
Here will be a reception. I use the letter R. And here we need to like some tables and settings. But how could they just get out? How could they get out and get into the sitting rooms?
Instead of making a balcony to the reception, you can just make like a square.
Yes, a square. But you know, here it is a reception table. And this is a solid wall. This is solid wall. How could they get in and get out?
Wilhelm, you can put the reception a little bit more on the front, and you just make a square on the middle of the space, so you will have space on your back.
But that's not make sense. You know, it's a very deep space. No customer like to sit in this area because no window, no lighting. It's a narrow space, you know. And you know, the cafeteria and the kitchen, like snack bar, is here. If they want to purchase something, they need to get into there and to buy something and then get out.
It's easier for you to design the arcade games as we talked about on the last meeting. It's easier for you just to relocate the reception to the entrance of the playground. It's easier.
It's weird. You know the reception table?
Yeah. On our last meeting, we asked you to put the arcade games on that zone and to put the reception on the entrance. And you told me that it is really difficult because you will have the reception and the entrance for the kids on the same place. So we are giving you another perspective of how to use the space. So you can put the reception on the front of the entrance of the playground, and you can make the entrance for the kids at the back. If it's easier for you just to design it as we talked on the last meeting, you just have to tell me.
It's weird, right? It's not reasonable for these designs.
Sorry?
I just think this is not reasonable. It's not make sense to have a setting
Do you
error
have
here.
the DWG? Because I think that you are thinking that it doesn't make sense because you are seeing this layout as it is. Maybe if you have the DWG, you can just see how many meters has the wall, and you can see that maybe it has enough space for the tables, for the sitting area.
I know even if we have enough space for the tables for the raised areas, but it's a very too long distance to get into the like the foodie areas. So the people, they need to get across the arcade game area and get into the and get past to the two shopping areas and then get to have some drinks.
Wilhelm, maybe you can have just some people of the snack bar on that zone, and they can make the orders on the tables. This is an operational issue, and maybe they can solve it easier. We had a problem on our last meeting, and the problem was putting the reception on the entrance of the playground. So you will have people paying for the tickets and children's coming into the playground. And you told me that it is really difficult to make it like that. And now I am telling you to just let the playground as it is. You don't need to change anything on your layout. You just need to make the reception on the front. I'm adding a little bit more space for the layout. So you can use the entrance that it wasn't the space for the playground. Now you can use it to put the reception. And like this, you have the problem that we identified on our last meeting solved, right?
I understand your ideas, but actually, we can do as you told me here. We can set arcade game areas, a reception table here, but we will not agree to do like a sitting room in this space. It's very weird, right? If you insist to have a sitting room here, maybe we can leave this space for you, and you can contact some local agency to do this. It's not reasonable to have the table here.
Wilhelm, what is your idea? This is what I am asking you for. I am giving you a solution for the problem that you showed me. So now, if you don't agree with this, you can just tell me what is your perspective. What do you think about?
For the ideas, I prefer even if we have let me open my 3D design so we can see it clearly. It's weird. Okay, is 12. This one. This one. Now this project. Wait a second. Today, I'm going to clarify all the treatment on the designs because we have applied for several times for the adjustment to our designer team, but they have canceled so many times for the designs due to the comments. It changes maybe every day, every weeks. So I need to clarify I need to finalize the latest version of the comments so that they can do the designs.
Yes, but our purpose is just to finish the design about this week or the next one.
Yes, I understand this. Is to finish the design, the 3D designs, but maybe every 2 days you give me a new ideas. So that's the reason we have reduced the design for so many times. And wait a second. It's not. This one. Okay, good. Let me just use this one. This color. Actually, right now we want to have a error for the actual game in the reception where we have right now, right? Could you see? And then in our last meeting, we need to make the shoe cabinet more inside. And then we have a reception table here. This is our last version of the designs.
But this is an issue you identify as a problem because you told me that having the reception near the entrance for the kids is a problem. That's why we are thinking about a solution for you, and an easier solution, because you only have to put the arcade games outside of the playground, and you just have to basically you just need to replace the reception.
Yes, I understand your ideas about the list. Let me just receive here. But just one question: everything is reasonable to have the arcade game here and have the reception table here. It's just have the set area. Set zone, have table zone in this place. It's weird. That's the point. So maybe we can two options. One is have a door here, so that they can get into this park directly to here and get across this shopping door.
Wilhelm, this is a store, so it doesn't make sense for you to pick a snack and just go into a store. You have to go outside of the store. Think about the daily maintenance, the daily operation.
Yes, I understand.
You are the owner of the store, and you will have people walking on your store with snacks.
Another version,
Let me just explain you. They don't need to use this area just to have a seat and to eat snacks. You can just put just like a sitting zone for them to rest. And maybe you can put another sitting zone inside of the playground on the area that we had the arcade games on the last one.
But we couldn't make this wall like a glass wall, the red line.
No, because you have another store over there. This is a shopping. We are just using that zone that is, yeah, you don't have anything over there. So we are just making our space bigger and changing the location of our entrance to the playground, because that zone doesn't have anything. So we are using the zone that is empty, and we will change the door just to use that space. But you have stores at the other side, so you don't you cannot just put like you cannot just put a glass, because you will have restaurants over there, so people will walk there and see the kitchens.
Okay. So which means in just under this red line there would be a shop, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay, finally got it.
But the entrance for that source is on the other side, so this is only a wall.
Okay.
What is your idea? What do you think about? What is, yeah, what do you think about it?
If we just separate the register area, it's okay. But if you want them to have a table, have some drinks here, they need to get out and get in there frequently, so it's weird. If they just stay here, it's okay, it's fine. And I just I need to confirm if this is only way to have a door here, or we can have a door in this side.
No.
So this is only way to have the door here, right? Okay.
And you can make just like a seating area over there, nothing more. And you can put another seating area inside of the playground. On your first design, you put like some tables on the after the shoes cabinet.
Yes, I know.
You can put it there, the seating area again, and maybe you can put another seating area on the back of the reception. Just so use the space of the reception, the actual reception. You can put there the arcade games, and yeah, that's it.
So this would be a door.
Yeah, the yellow one is going to be a door.
Here, and there is a register areas, and we could have a maybe like a reception table, like a square one.
Yeah.
And then the people, they can get into buy tickets and buy coins to play the arcade game here. And then they can also just get in direct, maybe we can leave a price. They can get into the, maybe from here, right now. Right now it's here, right? To the parks.
Yeah.
And then also, if they want to have a race, then get into here.
Yeah. What do you think about?
If this one is fine, but if you, I just confused because if you want to, they have buy some drinks, so it's a long distance to get in here.
Yeah, don't worry.
Right now it's fine.
Don't worry. Imagine that you can have like a person on that zone, taking the orders and coming with your food. They can make what they want to make. It's not
So-
our problem. We just need to have like the zone
So
for
we don't need
people
to
to see.
consider about their operation business, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay, got it. And
This
then
is
how
not
about
for
this?
us. This is for another person. Another story is going to there. So yeah, they make it like they want to make. It's not our
So-
business.
I got it. And how about
But
this space?
we have space on the playground that they can use it. But it's not our problem the way that they are going to use. Yeah.
Yeah, how about this space? This one.
Yeah, you can make another sitting area there, so the snack bar can just sell for people inside of the playground and for people outside of the playground.
So we still have the table here, right?
Yeah, you can replace it. Maybe not as a table. You can put like just seating zones for people. If they want to have to have a snack, they can have it there, but you don't have to make it like a restaurant. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Maybe we can try to use like these designs maybe on the first floor. So we can build a zone like this, like an island. So inside of this circle, they may have some sort of sofas. I have some decoration, so they can have a race there.
Yeah.
You mean that?
Yeah.
I think this is the same idea in Nashville.
And you can put like just 1 or 2 tables. I just don't want you to make it like a restaurant.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Don't make it like a restaurant. I got it.
No. But you can put tables and chairs. Just don't make it as a restaurant, please.
Okay. I need to have more attractive decorations on it to make it more spatial. It's not like a standard restaurant there. I got it.
Yes.
And how about these lines? We just remove this acronym. Is okay?
Yes, you can place the lockers maybe, but you told me that it's a long distance between the shoes cabinet and the lockers. So I don't know.
Lockers here is not make sense, but we can just leave this space for open. It's okay.
Yeah.
Because here it is a pass.
Yeah.
We can leave more space for the people they can get across. How about this?
Yeah,
and
it's okay.
And also maybe we can have some books.
Yeah.
Right? To make it like some shelf to make some books against the wall. How about this idea?
You can make it like this. Maybe it's nice.
Yes, and this will not take much space. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And even if the people they want to have a race here, they can take some books to read.
Yeah.
How about this idea? I think this would be a nicer idea to hear, right?
Yeah, I like it.
Then everything okay. Okay, got it. Let me take a picture about this. Okay, got it. I got a new idea about this. And then let's discuss about the 2 barriers on just in front of us to move this project forward. The first one is we need to have a finalized comments about all the adjustments clearly.
I made it for you on our last meeting, and the only thing that we are changing is the zone for the reception, because you told me that it's not easier to make it as I told you.
Okay, that's fixed. So another issue is about the color combination.
Yeah, the color combination. We want you to make suggestions for us. And what I have is, let me just open the messages to tell you what I have here.
We for our color combination, I can edit this color combination by me. It's okay, because our designers, they don't have enough time to do this. I can show you some color designs first, then you choose one. After that, I forward all the ideas to our designer teams. They can make entire adjustment for this part, you know, even the ground floor and the first floor.
Can you show me some suggestions? Something similar to NeoBio, and you can just. I think that Tony spoke to you about the color combination, right? They told you that it has to be a little bit vibrant.
Yes, he just told me you need to be a bit lighter and warm and attractive, but this is too dark and too cold color.
Okay.
So, but just kind of feelings. So I cannot not get a specific idea about these colors. We still need to try to figure out suitable one, and I need to show you several options.
Similar to NeoBio, that is the playground that he liked. Yeah.
Okay.
If you can show us today some combinations, or maybe if you can send us a catalog or something like that, it's better because we can send to them and they can choose. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. Another issue is about the first floor. I'm sure. Which one here? Yeah, right. Let me find a picture to show the clearance. Maybe this one.
The problem on the first floor is the interactive zone, that they want to make it like on a different way. They don't want people to go to the playground and to go to have to pass across all the playground just to go to the interactive zone. So we have to separate them.
That's part easy. We can do this.
Yeah, but you can decorate the zone. Like you can make a wall and make something different. Yeah.
Make wall. What walls? You mean something like the party rooms wall here?
No, I'm speaking about the interactive zone.
Yes.
Yeah, you can make like a wall and maybe just decorate the entrance to I don't know, maybe let me see if I can find some examples on the internet. Yeah.
I suppose you can share me, but I suppose I got you. I got your idea. I have some experience about these decorations for a separate zone, even like interactive and spatial or like a digital areas. You mean like something like that to make it like independent zones?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And we have to have something really nice on the entrance.
Okay, got it.
This is our differential on the playground, so they need to go to like another space.
Okay, got it. Okay, got it. I got your idea.
Okay.
Okay, maybe we have this in these areas. And we will move this forward to have a space in the back of the party rooms. Okay. Okay, it's perfect.
And did you saw the equipment that I saw you yesterday? That I sent you yesterday?
Let me see. Yes, about it's a tennis, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I asked our design, our procurement department. They said yes, we have. But
Maybe you can
let me show you. Let me show you. I just asked today.
Maybe you can add something like that on the interactive zone.
So right now we need to build 4 interactive rooms here, right? Right now we have 3: golf, basketball, football. So we add another room for the tennis.
Yes, yeah.
Right? Okay. But how about the Lebanon suppliers? We just forgot about the
No,
about
they are going to send us the layout today, but they are taking too long.
Yeah, yes, that's the point. We can. It's very difficult for us to do the next step of the designs. So we're still waiting for that.
Yes, they told me that they are going to send me the layout today. So when I receive it, I will send to you. And I asked them to send me the file on the format that you asked me for.
Okay, good. And another issue is about the name of this park and even the theme. Last time you just told me your board even not decide about this theme and even the name. So
I sent you the names that we
yes,
have.
we have 3. We have 3.
Yeah.
But could you just give us
and Hinduka.
Yes, could you just give me a finalized one? It's very important, you know. If we design all the colors, all the decorations like a candle key, and it's quite different if we do it like a village theme. So you know.
I know.
The difference is not very easy to change the difference from a thing to another. I know. So that's the most important, you know.
I know. But unfortunately, I don't have any answer for you.
Yes, I got it. So that's also our designer team told me if they don't have this like a big decoration about designs, they cannot move. They don't have idea how to move this, how to make this, you know.
I know, but Wilhelm, just for move forward, what about you to just redesign, relocate everything that we are talking now, and
maybe we can try. Yes, maybe we can try to give you a 2D layout. Is okay.
Yeah. And after that, we just make the 3D with the color combination and everything that we want. Yeah.
That's maybe we can try to make a 2D for you first.
Yeah. Because we need to have the project for the engineering.
Yeah. Yes. So I'm so excited. So sorry. And another issue is about the quotation, right? I asked several times to our financial department. They rejected my application because right now we can only offer the price for what we have and what we produced by our factory, you know. And for the lightings, for the tables, for the shopping areas, and even for the walls, maybe, and some anything we need to secure from other maybe factory. When our procurement department, they need a lot of time to compare the factories and do some inspections and even the qualifications and the product qualities. It takes much time. So
how long?
Actually, I don't know, because there are so many things to do, and even our procurement department, they cannot take an accurate time for this. So how about we just give a quotation of what we have in our factory, okay? And then we can add the cost from like the other suppliers step by step. Does this make sense? because
Can
you know,
can you just send me like a message with this information just for me to share with my team? Is that okay for you? You just told me everything that you can quotate and everything that you cannot.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I can send you an email to clarify the problem this issue, and I think your team will understand what this barrier is in front of us. Okay, because you know I'm trying to push this project a little bit forward to move this forward to landing it at as a target timeline. You know, so. Maybe you can do the quotation part by part. Is also I think it also makes sense.
Okay. Just send me the message or the email, something just for me to show. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for this meeting today, and I need to discuss with our design team and our internal team. I suppose maybe we can have. Hello?
When can you send me the 2D?
The 2D.
You
know, tomorrow is Saturday. Next
tomorrow
week.
Is, yeah, I know. But you can work on the 2D today.
Today, you know, here is 5 p.m. right here.
Okay, okay.
So it takes time. So and you know, they have work for now in their hand right now. And if I ask them to stop it and do this job, so it's very it's not possible. So I hope you can understand.
But I need to have some date. Sorry.
What? For what date?
I need to have a date.
Dates next month, maybe next Tuesday is okay?
Yeah, okay. Okay. And the color combination, can you send me now?
Color combination, I will do it later, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe I suppose, because I don't need to ask our designer to do that. Okay, I can do it by myself.
Yeah, just send me that, please. Because if you send me the color combination that you have, maybe I just can send to our team and our board can choose what they want.
Okay.
Yeah, it's better.
Actually, I have a file. Maybe you also have. Let me just share it to you.
Can you resend?
It was called a color selections. It's not a color combinations. It's a file, but I remembered I shared to you before. We can open it here. It's the color selections.
If you can resend the I don't have that one, color selection.
So actually, there is something color combinations. It's a blue one. So it's is an old file. Yeah,
okay.
So with green, oranges, so. But actually, we can also provide more options to you, like the yellow, blue one. They are very traditional options.
It would be nice if you could send me.
Yes, I will send you right now, and I will try to give you more options later by myself.
And similar to NeoBio, please.
Color could be NeoBio, but if the decorations and if even the like the walls and even the ceilings, if you do the same like NeoBio, is very expensive. But color is okay.
No,
color
it's the color. It's the color.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's color. Color is okay.
Just send me color combinations similar than NeoBio, and maybe that way it's easier for them to choose one. Yeah.
Okay, good. I can share you some projects about NeoBio.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Similar, not the same one.
Okay, you can just similar one.
You can just send us like 3 or 4 color combinations, and I send to them, and they can choose it.
Okay, I can use this design to do the color changes. It's okay.
Okay.
Let me show you this file to you right now, so you can have a version. And if you don't like any design in this file, it's fine. We can provide more.
Okay.
It's weird. Where it is? Oh, this one. Okay, thanks for your clarification today, and we're going to move first for the 2D layout, and then the color combinations. I'm still waiting for your same and project name. You know,
you need the color combination choice, and you need the name of the playground, right?
Yes, the color choice and the name of this playground, like the idea, even like the theme, you want it like a modern city one, you want it like a village one, so it's very important. It's very different.
I will try to send you like today or tomorrow maybe, and I will wait you for send me the 2D project to Tuesday.
Is this one? There's something get stopped. I think something gets stuck. I can try to use my computer and share to you.
Yeah. When you could, you can just send me the file, yeah. And I will wait you for send me the 2D project on next Tuesday.